Hi, this is Steve Shaw from PTC. Today I'm going to walk you through the concept of connected PLM and the value it provides today's product companies. Connected PLM leverages Internet of Things technologies to extend the value of PLM. With connected PLM, manufacturers gain more fluid access to critical, insightful, product-related data throughout a product's entire life cycle. From its initial ideation through development, manufacturing, and even after the product has been released and is live in the field. With this level of access, manufacturers will be able to make more informed decisions earlier in the development life cycle. This will translate into improved product quality, reduce costly rework, and give manufacturers more product usage insight, allowing them to respond more quickly to market trends and customer needs. The Internet of Things and smart connected products present manufacturers with new opportunities that are transforming companies' business models, changing how they manufacture products, how they sell products, and how they service their products. However, with this new level of connectivity, infiltrating manufacturing and the products themselves introduces new challenges. The products themselves are becoming more and more complex. Products are no longer purely mechanical. More and more products are becoming a blend of mechanical hardware, electronics, and software. The amount of product-related data is increasing along with this added level of product complexity. The pressure is great on companies to deliver products that meet market demands in a timely fashion, while at the same time containing costs. Often is the case that this tremendous amount of rich product-related data that is out there is often siloed amongst organizations and groups. This can limit engineering's access to critical information during a product's development cycle and even after it's been released and in use in the field. Such a situation presents additional pressures on product development, which can have profound implications. Take, for instance, requirements. Well-defined requirements articulate a customer need and provide clarity to the product development team. However, these are never static. Requirements inevitably change due to market changes, competitive responses, recognized design defects, or test failures. Unfortunately, when requirements are disconnected from the rest of the enterprise, it can lead to poor change management, where it can be difficult to fully identify all impacts. This can result in late cycle changes, resulting in expensive rework, driving up costs, and creating delays, for example. In fact, as a quote from the Software Engineering Institute indicates, more than 20% of development cost can be attributed to the rework as a result of misunderstood or poorly managed requirements. Quality can suffer. Many discrete manufacturers find it difficult to share product quality data throughout the organization. There may be many teams at a company responsible for a product's quality during its life cycle. Often this results in the information being stored in their own individual, specialized, disconnected systems. This can cause a delayed, disjointed, and inconsistent communication of product quality data to engineering. A consequence of this can be repeat issues inadvertently being designed into products, resulting in high costs of poor quality. Moreover, without timely access to the real-world field operation and usage of your products born from their IoT-enabled connectivity, can result in missed or late identity of new market opportunities. PTC's Connected PLM helps customers manage a complete closed-loop lifecycle process for their products by connecting requirements to the product definition or bill of material, all the way out to its testing and validation. This connection provides bidirectional, up-to-date visibility between Integrity Lifecycle Manager and its requirements and Windshield and its bill of material. This connection allows for the efficient creation and management of traces between the two systems. By having this level of end-to-end traceability, it allows for more effectively coordinating product changes across requirements, software and hardware, as well as providing greater insight into the impact a requirement change may have on any and all related product bills of material. By having this level of visibility, companies are better set up to ensure alignment of requirements through the whole product definition. This translates to better quality, less exposure to late design cycle rework, and for regulated companies, a greater assurance of compliance. This connection is achieved using the standards-based protocol for integration between the two systems. This approach enables transparent accessibility between the two systems without the need for error-prone duplication. PLM, or Product Lifecycle Management, implies that one is able to manage one's product throughout its entire life cycle. With the Internet of Things, this is becoming truly the case. When smart connected products are sending information about its actual usage, performance, quality, and service needs, this can drive huge value in product design. Analyzing this data and sending learnings about failure rates, failure modes, conditions at the time of failure can improve root cause analysis and corrective preventative actions, closing the loop between engineering teams and their products in the field. With PTC's connected PLM, we are able to connect quality data directly with its corresponding part and product information. This provides centralized visibility to a broader reach of organizations and stakeholders in complete context of the product's definition, including its design, documentation, and supporting requirements. This new level of insight throughout a product's entire life cycle enables companies to improve their quality planning and take new approaches to addressing quality issues. By centralizing access and gaining early visibility, the net result for companies is a reduced cost of poor quality, improved speed and accuracy of root cause analysis, and CAPA. Furthermore, because of the connection to smart connected products in the field, companies are able to learn from the product's operational behavior and leverage this information to further improve next-generation designs. Connected PLM offers companies opportunities to operate in a more informed manner. By providing a single, complete picture of a product's definition in context across its entire life cycle, companies are able to begin to realize true closed-loop lifecycle management. The increased levels of visibility and traceability translates directly to improved engineering efficiencies. When companies have early and consistent access to their requirements, they realize real savings by minimizing their rework costs by avoiding costly late cycle design changes. Quality is improved and warranty costs are reduced when companies are able to more quickly identify the root cause of problems and implement corrective actions. In addition, the traceability provided by connected PLM helps regulated companies more easily, repeatedly maintain and report against compliance. Moreover, by organizing and gaining control over your connected products information and real-world usage data, it helps identify new opportunities for your business. Many organizations are already reaping the benefits of leveraging data from their fielded products. As the graphic shows, HP currently leverages failure information about its products to drive learnings from the field back into product design. It identifies real-world product failure trends, the risks they introduced, and the severity and frequency with which they occurred. This information helps HP to improve failure modes and effects analysis and fault tree analysis in PTC Windshield for its next generation products. HP has realized results like reducing annualized outage events for customers by 15% and reducing average annual customer downtime by over 20%. Coca-Cola is an example of a company taking advantage of PTC's connected PLM approach. The Coca-Cola Freestyle soda machine, pictured here, is a smart and connected product. Once a Freestyle makes it out of production and on the market, there is a performance alert process established which prioritizes and assesses field issues. In addition to alerting Coca-Cola that one of its machines may require service, this data is also fed into their Windshield quality solution. This is connected with their Windshield PLM system and the product's associated bill of material, where incidents can be evaluated. If necessary, a problem report is initiated and corrective actions are taken, resulting in continuous product quality improvements and customer satisfaction. At the same time, the data collected is providing insight into customer and consumer demands, which can be evaluated for future product offerings and improvements. Next, let's take you through a brief demonstration of PTC's IoT-enabled connected PLM, illustrating how it can help achieve true closed-loop lifecycle management of your products. This demonstration will illustrate the value of connected PLM, where we will show traceability between products, their requirements, and quality data. With this level of connectivity between products and requirements, engineering improves the likelihood of a higher quality product, shortens the development cycle, and minimizes the need for costly rework. Should an issue in the field occur, having visibility within engineering allows for root cause analysis and corrective actions to be taken earlier in the product lifecycle, as well as avoiding repeat occurrences in future products. For the demo, we will be looking at a smart connected coffee maker that is experiencing a field failure due to operating conditions that were unplanned for in its original design. From the product structure, we were able to drill down into relationships to gather more detailed insight regarding one of the coffee maker's components. In this case, its water pump. We were able to visualize this pump on its own, as well as in the context of the product design, leveraging cross-highlighting capabilities between the product structure and its visualization. By clicking on the Quality tab, we're able to see our connected PLM solution in action with connected quality. Using our ThingWorx technology, we are able to navigate to access product and part quality information, providing direct, integrated access to quality data. Typically, such information may be managed in disconnected quality management systems or even in spreadsheets. Here we have unfettered access to any failure reports or quality information related to the product. By providing engineering with visibility to product quality data, it enables corrective actions to be taken more rapidly on existing products, as well as making sure that proper action is taken for future products that may currently be under development. On the right-hand side, we have access to the system tree representing the coffee maker product. By clicking on the water pump, we see that a field-generated incident has been reported by our smart connected coffee maker, where the pump does not seem to be operating properly under field operating conditions. It's determined that further investigation is warranted. Returning to the structure, we were able to drill down and investigate the supporting requirements for the pump directly from PLM by clicking on the Traces tab. This is another example of connected PLM. We were able to wrap and extend our solution by connecting directly to the requirements management system to view requirements in context of our product. Without navigating to another system, we were able to view the requirements, trace status, and obtain a preview of its requirement. To confirm the requirements were originally satisfied as part of the product development process, we navigate back to the product structure to take a look at its supporting analysis documentation to confirm that the original pump pressure requirement should be satisfied based on simulation data. Based on the incident report coming from the field, there's a discrepancy between our simulated results and the pump's real-world operating conditions. This situation is deemed significant enough to warrant an update to the underlying pump requirement in order to mitigate any future incidents. Here the requirement will be updated in integrity, requiring that future pumps must support a higher operating pressure. By clicking OK, the requirement change is committed to integrity. Returning to PLM and the coffee maker's product structure, we see the pump's requirement is now considered suspect as a result of it being changed. The requirement preview also shows the change that was made. Providing engineering connected access to requirements throughout the product development lifecycle ensures that any change in requirements are accounted for in the product design, enabling the avoidance of costly rework and poor quality. PLM provides full digital traceability of your products. Given that the pump's requirements have changed, it is important to understand how broad an impact this might have. By clicking on the pump's wear use report, we have a complete understanding of all other products potentially affected. It's determined that the severity of the incident report and its subsequent requirement change warrants the need for a change request to update the affected products to avoid future product quality issues. From PLM and its integrated change management capabilities, a change request is initiated. Here we enter basic information about the change, designating the nature of the change, its priority, prescribing a need by date, and entering a brief description. As part of the change, we identify the products or end items that are impacted by the change request. In addition, using PLM's powerful collection capabilities, we include additional affected data for the change, including their engineering bill of material, the related manufacturing bill of material, and any associated manufacturing process plans, to name just a few examples. If a CAD change were required, the supporting design documents could also be added to the change. From here, the change process is kicked off, the appropriate stakeholders will be notified, and the appropriate corrective action can be taken. If you want to learn more specifics of the change process, please visit the session on change management. Just to recap, in this brief demonstration, you have seen how connected PLM and complete digital traceability of product information can help an enterprise quickly react and assess a quality incident, investigate its related requirements and supporting data in order to quickly take corrective action. I'd like to shift gears for a moment to talk about another aspect of connected PLM. At PTC, we believe in the value associated with the Internet of Things, that in fact we have made our own products smart and connected with the introduction of Performance Advisor. In the case of PLM, the Windshield Performance Advisor, when enabled, periodically, securely sends anonymized diagnostic information to the PTC cloud, where the information is automatically distilled and analyzed. Performance Advisor's analysis and findings are then reported back to your Windshield administrator via a configurable dashboard that they can access from ptc.com. The dashboard reports Provide system configuration and usage information along with recommendations to resolve any detected issues before they become significant problems. This level of proactive support offloads some of the IT burden in managing your PTC PLM application, resulting in lower IT costs, optimal performance and end user productivity, and an overall higher quality experience. If you are interested in learning more about the Windshield Performance Advisor and how you can get your system connected, visit ptc.com and search for Windshield Performance Advisor. PTC's connected PLM and its solutions can help to give you better insight into your products and their related data, including its related requirements, quality information, and real-time data from your smart connected products after they have left manufacturing and are live in the field. Having this level of connectivity to supporting product information can help you make better product decisions earlier in the product life cycle, resulting in reduced rework, waste, and its related costs, enable your company to produce products meeting higher quality standards, and ultimately a more satisfied customer. If the value of connected PLM resonates with you and your company, please reach out to PTC to schedule a one-on-one and speak with one of our specialists today.